Welcome to Free Laptop Info. Discovering the ideal tool for digital artists requires balancing screen size, stylus precision, and smooth performance. Best Android tablet for drawing options today delivers stunning visuals and responsive input that elevate every sketch, note, or illustration into professional-grade work. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra stands out with its massive 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, featuring a 120Hz refresh rate and anti-reflective coating, making it incredibly comfortable for extended drawing sessions under various lighting conditions. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus processor with multiple clock speeds up to 3.73 GHz, it handles demanding creative apps without lag, while the 11,600 mAh battery keeps you going for hours on a single charge. Artists appreciate the precise S Pen support that feels natural and responsive, paired with front and rear cameras for reference shots or video calls during collaborations. Its slim 0.20-inch profile and sturdy build quality give it a premium feel that survives daily transport in a backpack. Multitasking shines thanks to generous RAM and Wi-Fi 7 connectivity.
Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab S11. This tablet impresses with an 11-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen enhanced by Vision Booster technology that maintains clarity and vibrant colors even during long hours spent refining illustrations or reviewing client feedback. With 12 GB of RAM, it manages multiple apps smoothly, so you can sketch in one window while pulling references in another without frustrating delays. The included S Pen delivers accurate, pressure-sensitive input that mimics traditional pen-on-paper experiences, perfect for capturing quick concepts during meetings or lectures. Galaxy AI features help organize handwritten notes automatically, turning messy brainstorming into structured documents ready for sharing with teams. Storage expands via micro SD card, giving creators flexibility to hoard brushes, textures, and project files without constant cleanup. Build quality feels solid, yet lightweight enough for comfortable handheld use over extended periods. Battery life supports full workdays of drawing and light editing, while the processor ensures snappy performance across popular art applications. Some users might wish for a larger display for intricate details, but the compact size actually aids portability for artists who work on the go.
Number 3. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Creatives love how this model instantly transforms rough sketches into refined artwork through helpful AI assistance that suggests improvements without overriding personal style. Its powerful processor tackles complex layers and high-resolution canvases with ease, supporting everything from quick thumbnails to finished illustrations destined for print. Circle-to-search functionality lets you research references directly on screen without breaking creative flow, saving precious time during tight project sprints. Note Assist organizes lecture recordings or meeting scribbles into summaries, freeing mental energy for actual drawing rather than administrative tasks. The display offers rich colors and smooth touch response, ideal for precise line work and shading. Build feels durable, with attention to details like comfortable ergonomics for prolonged use. While storage might require management for very large media libraries, the overall balance of performance and features makes daily creative work enjoyable. Battery endurance supports full studio sessions or field work, and the included stylus integrates seamlessly with popular drawing programs. This tablet suits students, freelance designers, and experienced artists alike who value smart tools that enhance rather than complicate their process. Minor trade-offs like occasional software update timing rarely disrupt workflow, yet the combination of innovative features and reliable hardware creates exceptional value for those seeking an all-rounder that grows with their skills and project demands.
Number 4. Wacom MovinkPad Pro 14. Artists on the move particularly enjoy the slim, lightweight design of this 14-inch tablet that packs a complete creative studio running Android 15 with easy access to favorite apps from the Google Play Store. The Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, paired with 12 GB RAM, ensures buttery smooth operation, even when working with memory-heavy brushes or multiple undo steps on large files.
Its stunning 3K OLED display reproduces accurate colors across wide gamuts, revealing subtle tones crucial for professional illustration and concept art. Premium etched glass provides a satisfying texture that reduces glare, while the included Pro Pen 3 delivers 8192 pressure levels with zero charging worries and minimal parallax for natural drawing feel. Expandable storage accommodates growing portfolios of high-resolution work. Performance remains consistent during intensive tasks like digital painting or 3D modeling previews. Some might note the learning curve for certain Android-specific workflows compared to desktop setups, but the portability more than compensates by letting creators work anywhere inspiration strikes. Battery life supports long sessions away from outlets, and the thoughtful pen storage adds convenience.
Number 5. Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. Students and creative professionals appreciate this tablet's lightweight construction and impressive battery that powers through long study or sketching days without constant recharging. The efficient MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor, combined with Wi-Fi 6E, delivers fast multitasking and quick file transfers, keeping creative momentum alive, whether editing illustrations or researching techniques. Its 12.7-inch 3K LCD screen, paired with quad speakers, creates an immersive environment for reviewing work or enjoying reference videos. The included Tab Pen Plus offers responsive input enhanced by AI features like Gemini that assist with idea generation or problem solving during late-night projects. Circle to Search simplifies finding visual inspiration instantly. Gaming certification and high-touch sampling rate provide bonus versatility for testing interactive concepts.
Number 6. Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. The generous screen size on this model makes it relaxing for detailed drawing, while still portable enough for daily carry, with a 90 Hz refresh rate ensuring fluid strokes and responsive feedback during fast sketching. Dual speakers enhance multimedia references, helping artists capture accurate proportions and colors from video sources. Circle to Search quickly answers questions about techniques or subjects directly from the canvas. Handwriting Assist cleans up notes automatically, turning spontaneous ideas into presentable references or client updates. Math Solver handles any calculations that arise in technical illustration work with simple stylus input. Performance stays reliable for popular drawing applications, and the build quality feels approachable yet sturdy for regular use. Some users might desire more advanced pressure sensitivity for ultra-fine work, but the balance of features suits most intermediate and enthusiastic beginners perfectly. Battery endurance supports extended creative periods, while the overall package delivers excellent everyday value through thoughtful tools that reduce friction in the artistic process.
Choosing the right tablet depends on your specific drawing style, workspace needs, and available budget. Larger premium models suit studio professionals, while compact options work better for travel and students. Evaluate display size, pen feel, and battery life against how you create to find the perfect match that inspires consistent artistic growth.